Have you ever noticed this? Before doing something or right in the middle of it, you feel a strange unease inside. You neither completely stop that task, nor can you continue. It's like a sentence is going around in your mind. Something is missing, but what? Today, we will talk about a threshold that your brain is hiding from you. The human brain does not operate at 100%. So, scientifically, 100% is not necessary to finish a task you started. A completion perception between 68% and 72% is sufficient for the brain. This range is scientifically called the perceptual threshold. Research explains the brain's task performance in percentages as follows. 40% the brain is still undecided, 50% the brain is in conflict, 70% the brain feels the task is complete and shifts direction, 85% the brain is overloaded, 100% the brain is exhausted. So, there's something ironic, which is this. The more you try to complete a task, the further you get from relaxing. The brain's sense of relaxation actually occurs when you've done about 70% of the task. And this number is not a coincidence. Why? Now let's think about our hunter-gatherer ancestors. They could never be 100% successful when hunting. Their shelters could not protect them 100%. When faced with danger, they couldn't say it was 100% over.
But they knew that 70% security is sufficient.
If a hunt had a 70% chance of success, they would go hunting. If a shelter provided 70% protection, they would enter it. If a region was 70% safe, they would stay there, because in nature, those waiting for 100% could not survive. Our brains still operate with that programming. But in modern life, we do this. A little more, and unfortunately, the brain cannot cross the threshold and declares itself unsuccessful. Now, based on this information, let's look at the solutions for how we can peacefully complete a task when we start it. Solution 1. The 70% letting go technique. When dealing with something, ask yourself, is this task 70% done? If it is, consciously let it go. Teach your brain. This is enough. After a few days, you'll notice this. Mental load will decrease. Your inner anxiety will lessen. You will no longer postpone tasks to the next day because your brain will have learned to complete the threshold. Solution 2. The count to 7 rule. Count to 7 when leaving something. When leaving a room, stopping a task, or breaking away from a thought. After 7 seconds, your brain will signal that the transition is complete. Scientifically, an average of 7 seconds allows the brain to make the threshold transition. Solution 3. Physical threshold trick. The brain perceives physical thresholds as mental thresholds. So, when doing a task, stand up, change your position, wash your hands. These are not coincidences. Our ancestors would tell their brains, we have exited one section, now let's return. By circling around the fire, entering and exiting the tent, arranging stones. Do this consciously today and let your brain feel as if it's starting again after physical activity. The brain expects from you not 100% but a 70% threshold. After this video, don't forget this. Discomfort is not laziness. Confusion is not weakness. The brain just can't find the completion threshold. And now you know this threshold.